I introduced myself as Ellen of Rooi Lamoenchi Kunuku-Park, and I told him that I would really like to meet with him to share my concerns about the future of Rooi Lamoenchi as a historic and cultural heritage of Bonaire. Soon Jan came to my home for a visit where we could share and talk, and I shared with Jan all the relevant information of my Kunuku-Park. From that moment on, the process started. With a unanimous board behind him, Jan, as the General Director of STINAPA, soon offered me a management agreement for Rooi Lamoenchi. During this last year, we met regularly to deliberate on the concept of this management agreement. These deliberations took place in a very relaxed and kind atmosphere. In Jan, Delno, Pierre, and Kerenza, STINAPA has been very considerate to me of my thoughts and my feelings. For this, I thank all of you. Meanwhile, my daughters in Canada were consulted and informed all the time. And as a family, we were united and of one accord during all these deliberations. It has been a most exciting and a most pleasant journey, which culminated in this historic moment of the signing of this management agreement for Rooi Lamoenchi. And it has culminated even in this beautiful, joyful celebration today. The parties involved, STINAPA and my family, are truly satisfied with this result. With STINAPA in charge of Rooi Lamoenchi management, we as a family are confident that when I am no longer available or around, Rooi Lamoenchi will not return to the state of wilderness and abandonment it was in 38 years ago. Neither will Rooi Lamoenchi sink into oblivion in time. And so, with thanksgiving, I release the management of Rooi Lamoenchi, of my earthly treasure, in the hands of STINAPA. With STINAPA, Rooi Lamoenchi will have a bright future